How you doing? Thanks for tuning in to our how-to videos. This video we're going to be going over tools that you need for the router table adapter. We're going to explain all the optional tools that you can use and all of the mandatory tools that you're going to need to complete your project. First and foremost, most important thing on this is you're going to need safety glasses. These are going to stop any kind of foreign debris from getting into your eyes. Very important that you wear these through the whole project. Second, you're going to need the vitamin C jig and router table adapter. Okay, router table comes basically in two pieces. It's going to come with your standard jig. It's going to come with your 3 top plates here, and then it's going to also come with the router table adapter. It's going to come with your proprietary 1/4-inch drive router bit that you install in your router and use to machine your fire control pocket. It's also going to come with a 5/8 drill collar and a 3/8 drill collar. Okay. Now, a lot of the other tools that you see here are readily available at local hardware stores for the most part. The rest of it's available on the internet, and we're going to go over each piece one by one and what it does. So when it comes time to machining, you'll have a basic knowledge of what you have and what you're going to do with it. Okay. First, you're going to need a forged lower receiver or a billet lower receiver. Of course, we recommend our product with the use of our fixtures and our milling bits. You're going to need the router table. Router table is going to allow you to adapt the router and machine around the fire control pocket. You're going to need a 5/32 drill bit. This drill bit is a carbide drill bit. You don't need carbide drill bits. Remember, you're drilling through aluminum. You can use high-speed steel. You can use carbide. You could use cobalt. You can use any drill bit that you want. They're all going to work. High-speed steel is the most inexpensive, of course. You're going to need a 5/16 drill bit. You're going to need a 3/8 drill bit. You're going to need a 5/8 drill bit that is stepped down and necked down to a 1/2 inch. Okay, this is going to allow to fit in most standard drills, drill presses, even hand drills. You're going to need, of course, the proprietary bit. It's going to the router table jig fixture is going to come with the proprietary bits. Your 5/32 drill bit is going to be used to drill your hammer and trigger pins. Your 5/16 drill bit is going to be used to drill the pilot holes for your trigger, and that's it. Basically, it's going to be used for 2 holes. Your 3/8 drill bit, that's going to be used to drill your safety selector, and it's also going to be used on your first operation top plate. It's going to be used for your 3 rearward holes. Your 5/8 drill bit, it's going to be used to drill 3 holes. Your front 3 holes here for your fire control group, that's what it's going to be used for. Your milling bit, that's going to be used for machining out your fire control pocket. Also going to come with a 5/8 drill collar. This is going to be used to set up a drill bit stop on your 5/8 drill bit, so when you're machining down your fire control pocket and you're rough cutting it, it won't allow you to over drill. 3/8 drill collar. This drill collar is also going to come with the kit. Once again, it's used for your 3/8 drill bit when you're drilling out and roughing out your fire control pocket. you're going to need a router. We recommend the Craftsman Professional Router. It's the model number 320.27680. These are available at any place where Craftsman tools are sold. You can use whatever router that is going to fit your budget. We personally recommend the Craftsman router. It's a variable speed router, and it allows you to slow down the router speed, so you're not you're not spinning at 40,000 RPM. You're also going to need your Allen heads. Allen heads, you can use pretty much any Allen you'd like. I have T-handles here. Your 3/16 Allen is going to be used for your side plates and your top milling fixture table to secure it. Other two Allens are going to be your 5/32. It's going to be used to secure your 5/8 drill collar, because it has a set screw on the side, and that's what you're going to use to secure it to the drill bit. Your 1/8 inch Allen head, that's also going to be used on your 3/8 drill collar. Standard Allen keys work just fine. You're not putting these things under too much torque, so these ones work just fine. You're going to need a depth micrometer. I like the digital depth micrometers just because it makes it easier to read and faster. You can pick these up pretty much anywhere on the internet. You don't need a super expensive gauge. This one's it's a no-name brand. We picked it up off of Amazon, I want to say. These two here, these are optional tools, and these are deburring tools. You can pick these up at machine shop supply stores, or you can pick these up off the internet too. It's just a standard F20 head on it, and this is used for deburring your hammer and trigger holes, and it could also be used to deburr your 3/8 safety selector hole as well. Another tool that you can use if you don't want to use this to deburr is you can use your 5/8 drill bit on your safety selector hole to deburr the leading edge of it, so that it doesn't create a burr on there. Same with your 3/8 drill bit. This could also be used to deburr your hammer and trigger pins. This here is another standard deburring tool. These, you can find these at the plumber section at Home Depot. These are optional as well. They make it a lot easier to measure once you deburr the top edge of the lower receiver after you machine it. When you do machine it, it does create a lip on the top, and you run this around the lip, and it takes out the lip that occurs from the machining process. Also gives you a more accurate measurement. Cutting fluid. I like the Rapid Tap fluid. It's easy to use. We're going to use quite a bit of this. It makes things easier to machine. So that's pretty much it. Go ahead and check out our other videos. Forgot to mention, to drill your safety selector holes, your hammer and trigger holes, with this jig you can use either a drill press or you can use a hand drill. Okay, seeing as how we have drill bushings on both side plates, you drill halfway through on each side. You can actually use your standard cordless drill, or you can use a cord drill. Doesn't have to be a name brand drill. Any drill will work as long as it has a a 1/2 inch collar on it. I'm going to go over in the next video how to. We're going to be using the drills to set up and drill. So go ahead and check out the rest of our videos and stay tuned.